So sorry haven't posted in a while. We actually had technical issues, so thank you for your patience. Hey guys, welcome back to the Human Beans YouTube channel. Today you're here with Drama Bean and I'm going to show you how to make your own sprite on Scratch. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to do so. Okay, now let's truly begin. To start by making our own sprite, you want to click the sprite icon over here and you want to click paint. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make two types of sprites. I'm going to show you how to upload your own sprite and then design it, and I'm going to show you how to make your own sprite from scratch, like not literally scratch the code, but like scratch from beginning. Okay, so you can start by making your first sprite by using shape. So before you do that, if you're on vector, make sure that you've converted to bitmap. Like over here, if it says convert to vector, that means you're good. Okay, so you can start by selecting any shape from square to circle, but I'm going to start by square, and you can make sure it's filled, and let's add a nice color. So let's add a nice color. Let's do like a light, no, I'm going to do a light purple. Light, you can do however color you like. Actually, I'm going to do outline, and you can name the thickness. I'm going to change it to 8. So let's create our sprite. So now we have like a rectangular-ish, squarish sort of. Oops, we don't need that. So now we're going to I'm going to add another square on it, but I'm going to change the color to green, like a lightish green color. But this time it's going to be a small square. It's going to be a bit smaller. There. So we have something like that. Now we can add a line. You can go to fill, change the color. I'm going to change it to pink. Let's make it light pink. And you can add a line. So you can add like a triangle on top, like a house. You can add dashes, like I am. I'm also gonna add some dots. You can design it however way you like. You can also add text. So you can go to the text icon here, and what you want to do next is you can add text for everyone. So I want to add text in the middle, and let's change the color. So you're gonna click fill over here, and I'm gonna make it black. I'm just gonna make it black so it's visible. And you can change the font. There's sans serif. I'm gonna make it marker. And let's write something. Let's write drama bean. Okay, so we have our text here, and now that if we want to move our text, you want to click the select icon and hover over it like that, and you can move it around now. But look, I actually did that. So I have drama being written over there. That's cool. So yeah, that's basically you made your first sprite. You can design it any way you want. Let's add another sprite. So you want to go here and click upload, and you can upload any image you like. And then I'll show you guys how to make another sprite using it. Okay, so I've uploaded this rose picture, and yeah, so it was really easy upload. You can upload any picture that you like. Oops, what did I just do? Yeah, you can upload any picture you like. So let's start by designing our rose. I'm gonna add dots on the side, and I want it to be black. And I'm gonna make it more thicker. Like I'm gonna make it 20, and I'm gonna add like dots. You can add anything you like. That was really messy. You can add any pattern. Okay, so you have your somewhat kind of ugly rose thingy right now. Yeah, you can make it however we want. So I'm gonna add a circle actually, an outline circle that's going to be red. Yeah. And let's select it, and we have a red circle here. There you go. And I can add another. No, actually I don't want that other circle. We can move this circle around by clicking the select button and selecting it. Let's move this around. Get it on top of the rose. And yeah, so guys, we've made 2 sprites today. We've made a house drama bean sort of weird one, and we made also another red circle rose dotted sprite. Anyways, it was really fun making these, so I'm gonna add code to the rose one so you guys can see how it works just like a sprite. So we're gonna go to controls, sorry, events, go to events, one flag clicked, how about, oh, play sound pop. No, I don't want to do sound. Sound would look weird with a rose. I'm just gonna do move 10 steps, point in direction 90. Oops, that didn't work. And I'm going to do control stop. Okay, let's start. Whoa, that's cool. You guys can see that it's moving just like a sprite would originally. And yeah, so basically guys, we made a really cool 2 sprites here. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you didn't, that's okay. Comment down below what you didn't like and I'll improve it next time, I promise. Subscribe, like, comment, and yeah. So thank you for watching. See you in our next video. So yeah, see you in a bit. Beanies!